Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Indoor plants decoration has become a captivating and popular trend in the world of interior design, breathing life and beauty into our living spaces. From small apartments to sprawling homes, the presence of indoor plants brings a touch of nature indoors, creating a refreshing and calming atmosphere. With a wide variety of plant species to choose from. There are options to suit every lifestyle and level of gardening expertise. Lush ferns and resilient succulents and graceful peace lilies and vibrant snake plants are just a few examples of the green companies that can adorn our homes. The art of indoor plants decoration goes beyond just placing pots on shelves or window sills. It involves thoughtful curation and creation placement to complement the existing decoration. Hanging plants add a visual touch and make use of vertical space, while floor plants act as a statement pieces that anchor a room. The positive impact of indoor plant goes beyond statistics. They also contribute to improve air quality, creating a healthier and more pleasant living environment. As we embrace the allure of indoor plants decoration, we invite nature into our homes, turning them into vibrant and inviting subterraneans that celebrate the harmony between indoors and the outdoors. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.